Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today is the day where I announce the winner of the giveaway which was announced last month. I gave another week so I can get more comments and more subscribers in. However, this didn't happen. Since I had only 2 comments to the previous video, I had to decide one thing, that I couldn't bring myself to choose between these 2 subscribers. So I have also decided to buy another one of these kits, which means I'm gonna send one for each. Congratulations Dorin Cosmin and Yohohosimus for having the courage to write a comment. I'm gonna send you these items free of charge. I'm gonna pay the border and all the expenses. After that, please also leave a text once you receive them so I can have your confirmation. Moreover, it is really unfortunate that people didn't have the courage to engage and possibly they thought this was just a clickbait. No, I don't do those things, and hopefully in time you guys are gonna find the courage to get in contact with me and leave whatever time you have on my channel. Because I value you guys, I value all my subscribers, and this is one of the reasons why I don't choose between these 2 subscribers, but rather honor their effort. Okay guys, as you can see, the first flat tire repair kit is packed. Now I'm gonna put them in one of these Amazon boxes because they're really good. This is what I like to use. And I'm gonna secure it really tight. Why I say this? Because I don't want them opening it and ruining my surprise for those 2 winners. It's not fair, is it? To lose these items. I mean, they're not something really important to feel proud of, but it's something that I can give to make others happy. Okay, one done, and I'm gonna write on it, extremely fragile. Okay, so people won't throw them away and get deteriorated to a point where it's not normal. Okay, that's it. Next one. So that's the first, this is the second one, okay? Now it feels more secure and much better. This is the second flat tire repair kit, okay? As you can see, I'm putting it in the box. And now I'm gonna do the boring part when I need to pack it. Hate this. Honestly, I do, but I have no choice. Now I'm gonna wrap it up like the other one, okay? And go. So I'm gonna write on this one as well. The two items have been packed, as you can see, they're on the table. So I'm gonna take each and every one of them, okay? And put them in my backpack. I'm gonna take my coat on and I'll see you at the post office. Let's go.
Please forgive my fox-like wannabe accent. I didn't have to take my bike with me in order to reach the post office. However, I wanted to look more important than I already am, so I took Blackie with me. We'll be arriving shortly to the post office, which is located in the back of a store called Spar. I might not be able to film everything because last time when I had my camera on, I was nearly thrown out the building. I'll see you after. Well, everything was paid for. The packages were left with the post office in order for them to reach the designated countries. This is the receipt proving that I have paid everything, and I'm gonna send the details to our winners. Once again, congratulations for this, and please leave me a text that confirms the fact that you have received my gifts. Thank you very much. This is your favorite neighborhood fox-like wannabe bike rider. Bye.